Hello, back at you, Habesha Spice. We're about to make Bofongo today. This is as you see in the inside here, I pre-cooked my plantains, sweet and non-ripe. You can use butter, regular butter. I'm using margarine here. This is all vegan. We use turmeric, black pepper, salt, and we're gonna mash it up for a minute and mash it up and come back to you. Thank you. Okay, greetings everyone, back at it. So now we're gonna make eggplant alecha tibs, and we're gonna make mushroom awaze tibs. Awaze is one of my favorite spices we sell on our website, habeshainternationalspices.com. This is the paste form of it. We sell in the powder form. I'll make another video how to show you how to make the paste. So first thing we're gonna do is add our onions. Oil, make sure your oil is nice and hot. Caliente, as they say in Spanish. You got onions, peppers, ají dulce peppers, onions. Here, I'm gonna add a little seasoning to this one. A little turmeric, spice, a little garlic, ajo molido, garlic puree. Add it to this one too. We're making two dishes simultaneously, because we know Habesha spice is good in multitasking. So we're gonna add now the awaze to this. And that goodness in there. Make sure you got all that in there. See how it's changing the color of that oil and everything? Changing the whole scene here. So now we're gonna add our vegetables, eggplant. We're gonna add our mushrooms. These are baby bella mushrooms we're using, in case anybody's wondering what kind of mushrooms we're using for this dish. Look at that. And now we're back at it. We're gonna add some tomatoes to it. Right. The key is getting that nice sear on the outside for your tibs. You know? So now we're gonna add the pepper to that one, sweet pepper. And then we're gonna add some red bell pepper to this one, and the sweet pepper. The sweet pepper is the pepper we grew out of our garden. We're growing blue bananas and we grew the eggplant too, that you see, all organic ingredients to the bone. Now we're gonna stir it up here. Make sure that's all getting up in it. You see here, it's all bright and all these good colors. The spices are directly from Ethiopia. We package them and sell them on our website. And still we're going to have them in the grocery stores all over the island of Puerto Rico. We're based in Canaveral. Our restaurant, Stable Spice, is soon to be open. That's based in the same town. So right now we're just doing catering and cooking videos and so forth. Alright, greetings, back at you. So you ever wonder how when they make mofongo in Puerto Rican restaurants, or have you ever eaten at a Puerto Rican friend's house, how they stuff the mofongo? Well, this is going to show you how to do it. So this is our bofongo. Sorry, I said mofongo, that's the regular bofongo. We're taking it and we're going to stuff it here first. You stuff it, that's the key. So you want something inside of your bofongo or mofongo. Put that down. And get it out just like so. You see, this is the before. Now you're about to see the after. This is where Ethiopia meets Puerto Rico, and all its good flavors and so forth we have to offer to the planet. So this is all vegan, no dairy products, no animals or harm making this at all. So now he's gonna give it a little garnish, a little basil garnish. Boom. That's how you got your Bofongo. Mushroom dips Bofongo. That will be served at Table Spice restaurant. So now we're back at you. So this will be a kid-size Bofongo portion. I already stuffed it with the eggplant, tibs, alecha, and now I'm about to top it. Ethiopian spices. Hello, Puerto Rico. Bofongo. This is all vegan, all organic. Organic plantains, organic eggplants that we grew ourselves, and the ají dulce peppers that we grew ourselves too. Enjoy our videos, like and subscribe to our channel, Awaze Spice. Hit the bell for any new notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good night.